Alright, what's good YouTube? I'm back with another banger, you feel me? Today we pretty much gonna go over how to make 6 figures as a content creator. It's not gonna happen overnight, but it will come to pass if you put in that work and put in that effort. Before we go ahead and do that, we're gonna like the video, you know what I'm saying? Because I heard it helped with the algorithm. Hit that notification bell, subscribe for more content like this. I'm trying to put y'all on game, graphic designers, videographers, photographers, any type of content that you do, any type of content that you create. I'm gonna show you how to get rich, I'm gonna show you how to get wealthy, and I'm gonna show you how to do it the right way. Roll the intro. How to make 6 figures as a content creator. Now, I know if you just starting out, I know that this can seem a little far-fetched, especially when you probably don't have the camera you want, or the effects that you want, or the computer that you need. I'm about to break it down on how you can make 6 figures as a content creator, right? Me personally, it's just a quick story. I'm not gonna keep y'all too long. Me, myself, my last job, I was working as a shoe person. I sold shoes at Shoe Palace. I'm familiar with the brand, right? So I sold shoes, I'm making, dollars per hour, whatever the case may be. I pretty much just added up how much money was I making per day. Once I added it up, I told myself, I'm like, wow, I'm only making $75 per day. So that means in order for me to quit my job and to pursue a career as a content creator, I needed to make that much money per day, right? So I grabbed the camera that I had. Really, I didn't even own a camera at the time. I was borrowing a camera from someone, right? So I pretty much just took that camera and I put my prices at $75. I didn't care what it was. $75 music videos, $75 photo shoots, $75 promo videos, and if somebody offered me more money, then I just took that. So I definitely understand how it can be hard, not coming in. Now I know those prices are dirt cheap. I know a lot of y'all looking at me like, bro, $75, like that's not really a thing. Whatever it is, making $100, $200, $500, $1,000, right? I'm gonna show you how to take where you're at, your starting point, and shoot you to the moon, right? You just have to take a dollar amount that you want. So right now we're going with 100,000 because that's $99,999.99, right? $100,000. Break that down and do the math, right? That's $8,333 a month, right? So that's a little over $2,000 per week. Now you take that $2,000 and you bust it down in a 5-day work week, you bust it down in a 7-day work week, whatever your workflow is, right? You make the numbers more simplistic. If you break the numbers down, they're easier to digest. But that's not the key, that's not the point. Take that goal, take that number, and write it down. Put it on the board, put it in your phone, write it on your mirror in the morning, so that you see that number every day, right? Now when you see that number every day, $100,000, $100,000, $100,000, eventually you're gonna start to believe that this $100,000 is very obtainable because I'm seeing it so much and it's a smaller number, right? The number used to seem really large to you, but now it's just getting smaller and smaller. Now I'm not telling you just go in the mirror and you just look at it, or you just look at it on your phone, that is gonna come. But now that's a such thing of, law of attraction, that's possible. What I'm teaching is you still gotta go do the work. You know what I mean? Like everybody knows fake style works is dead. So you're not putting in that work, taking that energy and putting it into something that you actually love. Chances are that $100,000 is not gonna come because you're not working for it, right? But now if you're out there, you're gonna shoot videos and you're believing for the right client, right? Write it down. What type of client is that? What clients or what businesses will pay you $100,000 a year to shoot content? So now you're changing your target audience. You're writing that down, you're believing for it, you're manifesting it, putting yourself in those positions to be able to make that much money, right? You write down what it is, our goal is. Look at it on paper, pray about it, and then we go out and do the work. Eventually, the bridge will close and it will come together. It seems very cliche. Definitely try it out. I'm a living witness. The days where I was making $75 per shoot, $5,000, $10,000 per shoot, right? You're gonna get there, keep grinding, keep being creative. Start today. You start today, chances are it's better than starting tomorrow. Hit the like button if you like this, you know what I'm saying? It lets other people know that y'all interested, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to help you, I'm trying to get y'all the game on how to be a dope content creator. I'm saying, so like it, comment. If you want to know something, if you want to touch on a topic, if you got questions about how to manifest or what I do, boom, I do that for you, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to sit there and you actually got to put yourself in a position, close your eyes, see yourself sitting down, counting the money out. If it takes that, if it manifests, you close your eyes, you see yourself pulling out your phone, opening your bank app, and boom, there's your 6 figures, you know what I mean? So if that's what it takes, that's what it takes. Comment what you wanna know, how you wanna do it, I'll show you. Subscribe. This video right here, we're gonna do 10,000. Do 10,000 views, we're gonna do 100 likes. I'm saying we're gonna get this going, we're gonna get this ball rolling. This is my second video, but we're gonna keep going, we're gonna keep turning up. Next time, I am Karter K. Dreams don't have deadlines.